Now it's time to go beyond what we can do in a Web3 ecosystem with the help of push protocol. But first off, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss what push protocol is, why they rebranded themselves, and what it means for you as a user. Let's dig in. To understand the push protocol, we first need to understand why push protocol came into existence. So, the push protocol, previously EPNS, was started in 2020 with a vision behind making communication possible for Web3. At that point of time, no one was thinking about Web3 communication. And Harsh and Richa very quickly realized that why Web2 is ahead, because it provides a very frictionless experience back then and now. For example, we all are on Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp because of notifications, and that was something which was a missing piece of Web3 communications. So that's why the push protocol was founded to cement a communication gap. If you realize in our day-to-day life that everything starts with notifications, whether you are on Twitter, social gaming or any other important work stuff, and then interface transforms into whatever the application wants the experience to be. And this is something that Harsh and Richa were wanting for Web3. So that's why the team created a communication protocol which focus on communication first. Because we all know that any communication to work seamlessly on Web3, the notification will work as a basic primitive that has to be done and has to be perfected. It cannot be a notification on email, it cannot be a notification on Telegram. It needs to be a native notification on Web3 wallet addresses, and that's the reason why Web push protocol was founded. Moving on, rebranding EPNS to push protocol means two things mainly. The first thing is broader vision of being multi-chain, and the second thing is notifications to wallet addresses. And the major purpose of rebranding is that to align all things in proper order, because EPNS was acronym of Ethereum Push Notification Services and was literally confusing the new users. Second thing, most people was thinking EPNS services is only limited to Ethereum protocol, and that's the reason why they rebranded themselves. If I'm talking about going multi-chain, let me share this update with you guys that Polygon onboards push protocol, which means Polygon dApps developer can now immediately begin integrating push to their dApps and send notifications to their users. Now, let's get into something fun, because moving on from going multi-chain, let's talk about the utility of push. Now the push token will have more utility than ever before, because securing of the network also comes with all the other forms of communications such as messaging, video, streaming, ad, chat, on which push team is already working on. So yes, push will grow more and more on the utility side of things. Summing it all up, it's not going to be a bunch of life-changing stuff all at once. It will likely be a series of ideas that grow together. And finally, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel